Today I'm actually gonna eat the soldier crab, guys. No ifs, no buts. They're all over there, so let's hunt them down and let's get some. Okay. 1 second. I'll grab as many as possible. Oh, thank you. So this is what we got so far. I don't actually know how to cook. That actually smells really, really good. That smells like seafood. Okay, I want to see how we're gonna go right now. Maybe it's, I think they're pretty cooked, to be honest. Okay. It's pretty good.
It's actually yummy.
It's pretty good. Okay guys, so like freakishly hot on the inside, but the legs, just like that. Mmm.